as New Kids on the Block Day.
We got it. Wow.
You do.
April 24th.
We need a year.
We need a year?
We need a year. That's a tough one.
89! I think it was on the
The
downside.
clock is ticking.
89!
I think we were hoping it would really kind of...
89!
Answer.
Not maybe 90 or 91.
Oh!
91.
Answer, blue
We're
team.
going to go with April 24th, 1991, Chuck.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect, Joseph. Red team, you have a chance to answer for control of the board.
What date did they say?
They said April 24th, 1991.
2008.
No.
You said it. You said it. Don't try to go back.
He said the mayor, not the governor.
No, he said governor.
2008.
They said the governor.
I said in Boston.
From Massachusetts.
Wow.
1990, April, they said 1990.
That is also incorrect.
Okay.
Well, stick that card up your ass there.
We're off to a great start here.
Let the record state that the red team's answer was 2008 in Boston. Okay.
The correct answer
I was
is
slightly distracted. Sorry.
April 24th, 1989. 89 we were looking for.
Jordan said 89. We didn't listen.
Okay. Next question to see blue team still has control of the board. No points awarded. Blue team,
Yes.
which came first? First man walked on the moon. Jonathan Knight was born. Oven or Reese's Pieces?
All four of them?
That is incorrect. But which one came?
I know.
That is
You
incorrect.
said it.
Of the four I've...
No.
Yes.
So out of the four, what came
Which
first?
came first? The chickens.
John was born in 68, so it wasn't the moon.
Again, first man walked on the moon. John Knight was born, microwave oven or Reese's Pieces. You have the option to dare.
Don't dare us. Don't dare us.
The red team is anxiously awaiting your answer.
Dare us.
This is taking long.
Dare us. We dare you to dare us.
Blue team, please.
We
Dare
dare
or
you.
answer.
We're gonna dare.
We're gonna
Okay.
dare. The red team has a dare.
We're gonna go like this. The Man on the Moon was 1969.
Correct.
Reese's Pieces was for E.T. Because M&M's wouldn't let him use them in the movie, so Steven Spielberg called up Reese's and said, hey, make us our own candy. So they made Reese's Pieces. The microwave oven, that's a little shaky. But I don't think it was made up before we were born, so we're going with John Knight.
Now the dare thing, that's all it is?
That's all it is. If they don't know, they
We
can...
dare them to answer the question?
We answered it. We answered it.
And if they're wrong, they have to do
Well, if
something?
they get it wrong, you get twice the points.
All right.
Okay.
So far, you have a big gray placard behind you for your point total.
Vanna Paul, would you like to tell us the story, Vanna? We have 100 for the blue team. Unfortunately, red team, that is incorrect.
Schadenfreude.
You didn't say which kind of microwave oven.
GE?
The first microwave oven was actually the size of this theater. And it could cook a kernel of popcorn, just one.
Well, unfortunately, you both got it wrong, or you got it wrong, and you dared. So it doesn't come back to
So
you.
we didn't get it. Technically,
No.
we didn't get it wrong.
What actually
Karen
will
Paul.
happen will be a physical challenge between both of you again.